Just send it, Kale! Oh boy, this could end bad. Okay, hashtag worst ski day ever. It is like a blizzard at the top of the mountain here, and you can't see anything. Okay, I'm totally stuck. Okay. Oh shit! Okay, now I'm really stuck. Okay, it's like up to my knees. Whose great idea was this? This is an adventure. I hate you. I'm not getting you up.
I think I know where all the snow went from the top of the lift.
Onto this run.
Where it's like 3 feet deep.
Attempt number 2 not to get stuck. Woohoo! Oh, come on, more speed! You guys should maybe go first, so in case you fall, I can pull you up. Good thing is, if you fall, it won't hurt. Dylan's sinking! Dylan is super stuck. Okay, I'm gonna try to blow by both of you guys. Woo. Just send it, Kale! Oh boy, this could end bad. Oh geez! I'm coming, Kale! Oh shit, there's a bump here. Oh, I found a ski. Okay, where are you? Are you a front flip? I found one ski. Where is the other ski? Okay, after Kale's epic crash, we're gonna try to finish this run that is taking all day. So the kids are done. We drove over to Black Forest, but they said they're done. It took us an hour to get down Gem Lake. It was pretty brutal. But funny thing is they complain, but I can guarantee that's one of the days they'll probably remember now the rest of their lives. So there is that positive.